Hey, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Framer's CMS. A CMS is a great way to manage your blog posts, your job listings, help articles, and more. It stands for Content Management System. Let's come up here to the stacked circle icon. You can see this takes us to Collections. Collections is where you can create your blog posts. We'll start by adding our first blog. Framer will automatically create us 5 sample blog posts. Let's click into one. You can see here there's a range of standardized fields. Title, slug, date, image, content. This might be similar to when you're editing blog posts on WordPress or Medium, or whatever blogging platform you're used to. If you click here, you can see that you can edit the fields. And here you can edit different properties for each field. You can also add more fields, plain text, links, colors, numbers, files, and so on. See this, for example. If you add a description under the title, this sort of acts as a help text for whoever is managing your content at the time. You can see up here it's updating just underneath the title. You can also set whether it's a required field, whether you have a max length of characters, which could be helpful if your design has various restrictions. You can play around with these fields until you get to exactly what you need for the type of content you're producing. Click away and you're able to publish this, or just save it as a draft. You're also able to import blogs from CSV, which we'll go into later. And that's the start of your CMS and how to use your CMS. In the next video, we'll go into how to use your CMS content in designs. If you have anything specific that you'd like us to teach you about Framer, feel free to drop us an email and we'll be sure to help you out. Bye!